I am Punjabi. My blood is Punjabi, so I am not blessed at all. जितना आप जंक कम खाएंगे उतना आपकी सेहत के लिए अच्छा होगा. जितना हो सके घर का खाना खाइए. कितना खाना है, कितना निकालना है, बर्न करके, एक्सरसाइज करके. So I've kind of created that balance in my head.
Yes, I have a small segment for you, diet and fitness segment.
Okay.
Okay, so should we start?
Okay.
All right. First
Yeah,
question
sure.
is, how do you start your day?
The first thing I do is go and have a big glass of water as soon as I wake up.
Okay. What do you carry in your tiffin when you're shooting?
When I'm shooting, I carry generally my lunch, which we have on set, is plain simple dal chawal. I never get bored of it. I can eat it for as long as I live.
Okay. What do you eat for lunch? And any fitness tips?
So as I said,
Dal
lunch is always dal chawal. The dal can always vary, but that's something I've been eating for years and I've never gotten bored of it. And fitness tip, I'll say कि जितना आप जंक कम खाएंगे उतना आपकी सेहत के लिए अच्छा होगा. जितना हो सके घर का खाना खाइए. That's the best thing I can say.
Okay. What's your cheat meal like?
Cheat meal depends what I'm craving for. There are a lot of things I crave for. To name a few on top of the list, I am a big fan of chaat, sev puri to be specific. I love pizzas a lot. It's my recent love. Suddenly I found love for it. So these two things off late have been on the top of my list for cheat days.
Okay. How rigorously you follow your diet plan, and do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I very much exercise regularly, 6 days a week. I try and aim for. Diet, I'm never on a particular diet. I have never had like a set diet that I'm going to eat this and this and this every day. Because I think if you do that, it gets boring. It's difficult to follow. So I try and spice up my meals, eat something different every day, so that apart from my lunch, that remains the same. So that I don't kind of get bored and in that monotonous way. But at the same time, if you follow these few rules कि आप packet or junk नहीं खाएंगे ना, I don't think you need to be on a diet as such. You can just live a regular life without eating these harmful things, and you won't need a diet.
Okay. Who do you idolize from Bollywood and television when it comes to fitness?
Bollywood and television. I think I really look up to Malaika Arora for her fitness. To have that body and look so fit. And we've been seeing her since Chaya Chaya. She's just not changed. So I really look up to her for that.
And television?
Television, I don't know many people. It'll be difficult for me to pick.
Oh. Are you a blessed soul who can eat anything?
I am Punjabi. My blood is Punjabi. So I am not blessed at all. Not with a high metabolism. We are people who love food, and at the same time, we gain weight when we eat food. So I have to be very careful. But I think now I've maintained that balance. I've come to terms with कितना खाना है, कितना निकालना है, burn करके, exercise करके. So I've kind of created that balance in my head.
Okay, last question is, what time do you eat your last meal? And what
My last meal is generally my dinner, which is around 7:30. I try and eat it early, unless we are doing like night shifts or it's a late night shoot. But on a regular day, 7:30 is when I aim to eat my dinner. My dinner is again very simple. It's generally chicken with little rice, or it is eggs with rice. Depends, or sometimes fish with rice. So again, I try and keep it as simple as possible. I always have home cooked dinner. I don't like going and eating outside that much.